friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing an old truck. All right, so for the old truck, I'm gonna get myself a template so I can get the wheels nice and round. And again, if you don't have a template, shoot, just get like a, you know, a bottle cap. I don't know, anything really. You can get lots of things. All right, so there is one wheel. And then I'm gonna head straight over. Let's see, I think I'm gonna go about to there. I'll put another wheel on. And then I'm gonna go down to a littler size. Put the inside parts on it. Perfect. Enough. All right, then I'm gonna get my ruler out and I am going to draw a line that starts here, just a little line right there. And then I'm gonna put another line right here, and they're not going all the way to the wheel. Another line here. And then I think that's good for now. All right. Okay, so then I'm gonna draw the foot, what's that called? The thing where your foot comes off, yes, the little step down thing. And then I'm gonna draw a line coming around the tire, and it's gonna get close to the tire, but it's not gonna quite touch it. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing back here. It's gonna get real close. It's not gonna touch it. Just there we go. Then I'm gonna draw a line coming up, curving around. And coming back down. And then it's gonna come across. Okay, but it's not gonna go all the way over. And then I'm gonna draw a line here that curves around, kind of repeats what I've already got and curves around. Nice. And I'm gonna draw a little line here, and it's gonna come up to about here. This is the back of the bed, and then here's the bumper, and then here's the front bumper, and here's the headlight. Okay, then I'm gonna draw the hood. So it's gonna come up, and it's gonna end about where this is. Then I'm gonna draw a line coming straight up here. And it's gonna curve around and come down. There we go. And then I'm gonna draw a line. I'm gonna use my ruler. Why make it hard? There we go, that looks good. And then I'm gonna draw another line above that. And it's gonna come around. And I think I'm gonna put another line in here because that was a little thicker than I wanted. Yeah, I like that. All right, then I'm gonna draw the window. I think I'm going to put some detail things on. There's the handle. And let's see. I think I'm going to write Ford on these. Yep. And I think I'm gonna put another line here just to make this a little more detailed. And I think I'm gonna put some treads on the tire. That looks better. And yeah, I think that looks pretty good. All right, we'll put him on the road. There he is. Okay. Oh, you know what? I do not have a line right here so he can open the door, or she, whatever it is. Let's put a steering wheel here. Put the seat. There, that looks better. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.